Hey everyone, happy Earth Day. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a fun Earth Day surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Earth Day surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice fold down the middle, so it kind of looks like a birthday card. Then I'm going to give it another fold, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with our earth, let's begin by making a circle. I'm just going to go ahead and trace this little paint palette that I have so I can have a nice circle. So I'm just going to begin by tracing the top of the circle, and then we'll finish off by tracing the bottom here. Now, I want to give my earth some eyes, so I'm going to begin by making a little circle shape right here, and then I'll make another circle shape right over here for that second eye. I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle inside of there, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving a little white. And then let's do the same thing over here. Just kind of draw that circle, color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Now, underneath the fold, let's go ahead and make a little smiley face shape. This is going to kind of turn into something else, but we want to make it look like a little smile. Now, let's make some little kind of patches on here for the land and everything in the water. So I'm just going to begin by kind of making a little wiggly line up here. Then I'm just going to make another kind of little wiggly patch here. We'll make a little one right here. And then let's make another one here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when we open this up, we have two halves of our planet Earth. So first off, I'm going to begin by bringing this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down. Then I want to bring this line up, and I want to bring this line up. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a nice big smiley face shape. And I'm going to put a little line on each end. And then underneath here, I'm going to make another nice big smiley face shape for the mouth. I'm going to make some teeth going right across here, just to give our earth a little bit like a cartoon look. And I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to make these little bumps for some teeth. And I'm also going to do 2 bumps for a tongue as well. Now, we're going to write the word Earth Day right across here. So I'm just going to begin by making a letter E. Then I'm going to make an A. We're going to make an R. We'll do a T. We'll make an H. And then we're going to write the word day. So we're going to do a letter D. We're going to make another A. And then we'll finish it off with a letter Y. Now, if you don't know how to do the block letters, you can always slow down the video, or you can even just write it in your own way. Then right above here, I'm just going to write the word happy a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make the H, we're going to make the A, we'll make 2 P's, and then we'll finish it off with the Y. Now I want to put some fun little Earth Day things around here. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little circle here. And then I'm going to put some spikes around it so we have a nice little sun over here. I'm also going to give it a fun little face. Over here, I'm going to make a little leaf. So I'm just going to make a little line. It's going to curve up, and it's going to come down. We'll make a little stem, and we'll make a little line up here. I'm also going to put a fun little face on this one. Give it a little fun mouth too. Over here, I'm going to make a raindrop for some water. So I'm just going to make a little curve here and a couple little circles on there for like the reflection. Over here, I'm going to make a little flower. So let's begin with like a circle. And then we'll make some nice big petals right around our flower. We can even do a little face on this one too. And then over here, I'm going to make a cute little bee because bumblebees are so important to the earth. So let's just kind of make like an oval shape. And then we'll make some little lines coming down here. We'll give it a little smiley face and some little legs. We'll give it 2 antennas and then 2 bumps for some wings and then a little stinger on the back. Then to kind of finish this off, let's begin by just kind of making a little zigzag line shape that's just going to kind of come around here. Just going to make it look a little bit more interesting. And we're just going to kind of go around our letters and we'll kind of end it right around here. Then let's just draw a line down here for the mouth and here. And we'll connect it here and here. We're going to bring this line down and this line up. And we'll bring this line down and we'll bring this line up. Then the last thing, we're just going to connect these little lines here and these little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little Earth Day surprise fold. This could be used for a great Earth Day card too. When you fold it up, we have our cute little Earth smiling. Then we open it, his mouth is wide open, and he's saying Happy Earth Day. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.